Hey YouTubers, I got myself a pretty cool dip station. It's under $200. I got it through Amazon, and the portion I use right here most of the time is the dip station part, but you also have many other features. Let's go over them real quick here. You have a pull-up bar, okay, right here, and I'll tell you the pros and the cons of this pull-up bar, but it has real nice soft grip. Let's move on here. Then we have vertical knee raises. So you'll put your back on the pad right here. You'll lock your arms in on the other side like this, okay? And you'll raise your knees up to your chest, or straight-legged, straight up, as high as you want to go, leg raises. Okay, you have your dip stand, which is these bars right here. You'll go into dips, okay? And then you have strength training, like you have your L-sit here. You can use this for push-ups. It's gonna be for the lower pectoral. You put your hands on the bars here and you'll do your push-ups, but you can also turn around and do L-sit, sitting handstands, and those develop a lot of strength. You can hold yourself up. I think my max is 2 minutes, and I just can't go any further. But there is a problem with this unit here. It has a lot of nice features. I mean, make sure I covered it all. It calls it a strength training station. It sure is, because you got to use your own self to do your own workout. Well, anyway, they have this bar right here. This bar. It's a great bar. It holds it really sturdy together. The only problem is, if you're tall like me and you grab this pull-up bar here, you will whack your lower legs on that bar if you don't bend them. Now, for me, when I do pull-ups, I keep my legs straight. Some people pull their legs in, I keep my legs straight. Same thing for the dips, because when I do the dips, I also keep my legs straight. So that is one thing that I can say that is real cumbersome, is running into that bar and also swinging into this, okay? You can face the other way, but you're gonna hit your back on the back of this thing. But for standard pull-ups where you just do clean ones and then wait until you stop rocking and then pull up again, it does work, okay? And this station is a workouter. It's pretty sturdy for the money. For $200 and less, it's under $200, so it's really a good deal. It's a nice piece of equipment. It's very sturdy. I had to put some cardboard under here because it's scratching up my floor. I need to put a mat like this one, which I will, underneath this, and it'll be a lot better off. So all I can tell you, for the money, it is a very, very stable machine. Now, the other ones I've tried before, they're just all over the place. They'll even fall over when you're up on a dip, and it's scary. So check it out on Amazon.